Hello dear traders, you're watching the combined review of currency and commodity markets with me, Anna Kasatkina. The American dollar dropped last Friday, posting its biggest weekly decline in more than 3 months. Another set of the US weak economic data released on Friday underscored the Federal Reserve's patient stance towards further interest rate increases this year. The euro traded higher last, up by 0.16% to $1.13.20. For the week, the shared currency gained 85 points. At the same time, the pound sterling was slightly below its highest level since June 2018, hit on Wednesday after Britain's parliament rejected a no-deal exit from the EU. The pound paused for breath but stayed on course for its biggest weekly gain in 7 weeks on growing expectations that Britain will not crash out of the EU without a deal on March 29. Sterling last traded at $1.32.83, below Wednesday's 9-month high of $1.33.80, but up by 2% for the week, the biggest such gain since late January. Meanwhile, in cryptocurrency trades, daily trading volume for the world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, exceeded $11 billion on Friday, the most observed in a 24-hour period since April 25th last year. On Friday, Bitcoin closed above $4,000 on the Kraken exchange. The cryptocurrency booked its 4th successive winning week, which was the first such streak in almost a year. The broad crypto rally may have lost some of its momentum, as volumes across exchanges do seem to be tapering off from their recent highs, but remain elevated just under $30 billion per day. In commodity market, oil futures settled lower on Friday, with the US prices pulling back from a 4-month high as worries about the economy weighed investor sentiment. The US WTI futures declined to $58.52 a barrel by closing of the trades. It earlier went as high as $58.95, the highest level since November 13. For the week, the US benchmark climbed by 4.3%, its best weekly gain in about a month. Meanwhile, Brent crude futures ended Friday's session down at $67.16 a barrel. Brent prices, which on Thursday hit their highest level so far this year at $68.14, saw a gain of approximately 2.1% on the week. WTI is up by 29% so far this year, and Brent is up by 25%, with both benchmarks benefiting from aggressive production cuts by OPEC since the start of January. However, rising US output is threatening to undo those efforts. Gold futures climbed on Friday, finding support in the wake of mass shootings in New Zealand, as well as from a weaker US dollar. On Friday, gold for April delivery rose to $1,302.90 an ounce on COMEX, with prices logging a weekly rise of 0.3%. And this was the combined review of financial markets on Insta TV. Thanks for watching, and see you back soon.